Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Slow cooker. The Hawkins CB30 hard anodized pressure cooker is a stand choice for anyone. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker stands out as a reliable and efficient kitchen essential for those who appreciate the art of slow cooking. Constructed from durable stainless steel with a stoneware insert, this model exudes a balance of style and functionality, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen decor. With a substantial capacity of 7 quarts, it is ideal for families or gatherings, allowing you to prepare hearty meals in one go. The dimensions of 16.9 inches deep, 11.8 inches wide, and 10.4 inches high ensure it fits comfortably on most countertops without taking up excessive space. Weighing in at 12.6 pounds, it is manageable to move, yet robust enough to withstand regular use. Operating at 210 watts and designed for standard 120 volts, the slow cooker offers 3 distinct heat settings: low, high, and keep warm, providing versatility to accommodate various recipes and cooking times. The manual control method allows for straightforward operation, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Titanium cutting board. The titanium cutting board by Suteg offers a versatile and durable solution for various kitchen needs. With dimensions of 15 meters into 10 modules and a thickness of 1, it strikes a balance between size and functionality, making it suitable for preparing everything from fruits and vegetables to meats and cheeses. The combination of wheat straw PP and titanium not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, available in silver and dark gray, but also enhances its durability and resistance to wear and tear. One of the standout features of this cutting board is its double-sided design, which allows for a more efficient workflow in the kitchen. This reversibility can prevent cross-contamination by allowing you to dedicate one side for raw meats and the other for vegetables or cooked items, maintaining food safety. Additionally, the non-porous surface ensures that it does not absorb odors or stains, making it easy to maintain and clean. The board is designed with a non-slip feature that ensures stability during use, even when tackling the most stubborn ingredients. Measuring 2.27 pounds, it is lightweight enough to handle easily while still being substantial enough to avoid sliding around on the countertop. The product care instructions suggest it should be hand-washed only. However, the dishwasher-safe feature enhances convenience for busy home cooks. Measuring cup. The Pyrex 3-piece measuring cup set is a fundamental addition to any kitchen, offering a blend of functionality and durability that is hard to match. Made from high-quality glass, these measuring cups are not only resistant to stains and odors, but also ensure precise measurements for all your cooking and baking needs. The set includes 3 sizes: 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup, allowing for flexibility in measurement while accommodating various recipes. One of the standout features of this set is the easy-to-read measurement markings, which are essential for accuracy in cooking. The clear glass construction allows you to easily gauge the contents, and the spouts on each cup facilitate pouring without the mess typically associated with liquid transfer. The solid build of the cups, combined with their ability to resist thermal shock, makes them safe to use in both the microwave and oven, expanding their versatility further. User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with a strong average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from over 58,000 reviews. Customers appreciate the quality of the glass and the thoughtful design that supports everyday cooking. Additionally, the measuring cups rank as the #2 best seller in the measuring cup category, attesting to their popularity and reliability. Electric can opener. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener stands out as a highly efficient and user-friendly kitchen gadget. With its striking red color and sleek plastic design, it brings a modern touch to any kitchen while remaining practical. Measuring 18 into 7 into 5.5 centimeters, this automatic can opener is compact enough to fit comfortably in your kitchen drawer or on the countertop without occupying much space. One of the most impressive features of this can opener is its stainless steel blade, which ensures durability and effectiveness in cutting through various types of can lids. This automatic operation mode eliminates the struggle often associated with manual can openers, making it especially beneficial for those with reduced hand strength or arthritis. The simple push-button operation allows users to open cans with minimal effort, making meal preparation much more seamless. Weighing in at only 8.4 vegetable chopper. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is a versatile kitchen tool that has garnered significant acclaim from users, making it a top choice for those who frequently prepare vegetables. Weighing only 2 pounds, this compact chopper measures 7.99 inches in length, 2.99 inches in width, and 4.49 inches in height, making it easy to store and handle. Its sleek white design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also complements various kitchen styles. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel, the chopper features a V-shaped blade that effectively tackles a range of vegetables, from onions to carrots. The 4-inch blade length ensures a precise cut, allowing users to prepare ingredients quickly and efficiently. The manual operation mode means that you have full control over the chopping process, enhancing safety and reducing the risk of